I didn't see you guys there.
I don't know what to do with my hands now I don't have a camera in it. I just wanted to take a moment to personally thank you guys for subscribing to our channel, for all the thumbs up, for checking out our videos, for watching them over and over, for sharing, and for all your comments and feedback. And here comes the fucking airplane. To check out, see who is on that listing, check our description for the son of a bitch, and for continuing to support our channel. It really means a lot to us. I just want to thank you guys on my behalf and Shannon the Shop Gnomes as well. Airplanes. It's like every 5 minutes. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? For that link, check out our description. You'll see who was listed as the top 15 YouTubers to watch in 2018. There's some people on there that, I don't know, maybe they got forgot or overlooked somehow. We're honored to be listed as number 3. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. And if there's a tutorial that you would like to see, let us know in the comments and we'll do our best to get around to it. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later. I don't feel like any of that was